Welcome to the new lesson, and in this lesson we are going to see how we can add some more data for similar variables, but the data will be added vertically, not horizontally. That means now we are not going to add any extra variable, rather we are going to some extra data or information by row for the variables present in our merged underscore df. Let's first import the extra data, and yes, you can do so by simply copy the code and paste it here. Just name the data that contain the extra data, which is our extra data.xlsx, and you can change the variable name like extra underscore data on which you will load your extra data and run the code. You can see this is our extra data and the first 5 rows of our extra data including the variable refund. So this data set will be added at the below of our existing merged underscore df data. So this method is called data concatenating. Now we will see how to do it with the help of ChatGPT. So I write that give me a Python code for data concatenation. That's all you need. Just run the command. So here you can see that ChatGPT created 2 sample data to provide you the hints how to do it. However, this is the line of code we need to concate the data set, and you can see the concatenated data will be loaded our concatenated underscore df data variable, and our code starts with the alias pd. You know what does it mean, and yes, the alias pd is the as form of pandas library. That means the dot concate is a function from the pandas library and we are directly calling it from the pandas, and that is why the pd dot concate is written. And within the brackets of concate you can see the both dataset we are adding together, and here the datasets are df1 and df2 as you can see, and for our case the datasets are merged underscore df and extra underscore data. Just copy the code, go to Jupyter Notebook, paste it here, and make some revisions. So at first our data is merged underscore df, and our second data is extra underscore data, and we want to make it final underscore df and run the code. You can see the code runs perfectly, and if you call the final underscore df, you will see that the total number of rows now 1007, which was approximately 997. So additionally we have added approximately 10 extra rows in our existing data, which is called data concatenating. However, this is how you can add some more data for similar variables present in your existing dataset. So here we have finished our data manipulation process. In the next lesson, you are going to see how to do exploratory data analysis to generate some significant insights from our final data frame we have. That's all. Thank you.